I like every phase of working on a chainsaw sculpture, but I'm particularly fond of this next phase because every stroke of the angle grinder starts making it look more and more like what I'm carving. So as I make a stroke here, it's going to look more and more like dog, and that's just so cool. So here we go. I've chalked in from the top down to get some features better and done the same thing around the front. So we're just going to start pushing it in and making it look more like the dog. I didn't film all of it, but basically what I did is just had fun. Dog's not square, right? It's round in many places. So all I did was go around and take off all of the edges, smooth it out, try to make everything look a little more dog-like, work on the tail, make sure it wraps around nicely. Just everywhere there's a big sharp point, that clearly is not going to stay. Everywhere that there's a jagged in cut into a body part, that has to be smoothed out. So that's what I did. I just had fun. So now I'm going to go get my latest prints of pictures. I enlarged the head, and I did one that's from the top of the head all the way to the bottom of the pads. So I'm going to go get those and then chalk all of that in. Next, I'm going to remove everywhere you see the pink chalk. So looking at the front of the dog, even though from the top this is the widest point, from the front there is actually nothing above this line, so that's why it's pink. Same thing here, even though from the top this is the widest point, from the front there's nothing where the pink is, all the way through the sculpture, front to back. Same thing over here. Same thing here. This piece does not exist from the top. So we're going to remove those pieces that we know aren't there.